In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Sheet effectively and securely. Sharing your Google Sheet is a straightforward process, but ensuring you set up the right permissions is essential for maintaining control over your data. Let's dive in and explore how you can share your Google Sheet with colleagues, friends, or anyone who needs to access it. First, when you're in your Google Sheet, look towards the top right corner. There, you'll find a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to controlling who can see and interact with your document. Once you've clicked on it, a window will pop up, and from here, you can enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to grant access to. Typing the email addresses directly where prompted is a fast way to invite specific people. After you enter their emails, you can hit Send, and your invitees will receive a notification to access the sheet. However, there might be times when you wish to make your Google Sheet accessible to a broader audience without the need for individual emails. This is where the option for general access comes into play. In the same sharing window, look for a drop-down menu labeled General Access. Click on this, and you'll see an option that says Anyone with the link. Selecting this means that anyone who has the link to your sheet can access it. This is a handy feature if you're sharing broadly within a group, organization, or even publicly. Now, once you've decided who can access the sheet, the next step is determining what they can do with it. You'll notice that Google gives you the ability to assign roles to anyone with access. You have three options here: Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. If you simply want someone to look at your document without altering it, choose the Viewer option. This is great for sharing reports and data that don't require input from others. If you'd like some feedback, but no changes, opt for the Commenter role. And importantly, if collaboration is what you're after and you want the individual to be able to make changes, be sure to select the Editor. It's crucial when choosing the editor role to be confident that those receiving access can handle the responsibility sensibly, as they will have the ability to alter the content. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you can effectively share your Google Sheet while maintaining control over who can view, comment, or edit your document. Remember, the key to successful collaboration is ensuring everyone has the access they need while keeping your data secure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.